Welcome to the Day One Customer Service Support activity. My name is Jude, and I'm part of the Day One Avatar crew. It's wonderful to have you here, whether you're stepping into customer support for the first time or enhancing your existing skills. Today, you'll be exploring the world of customer service support. From resolving issues and guiding customers to updating accounts, the role makes a real impact. In this activity, you'll practice handling realistic customer scenarios using the vTiger CRM tool. This hands-on experience will help you refine your skills and prepare you for similar tasks in a real-world setting. Remember, we're here to guide and support you every step of the way. Let's make this an engaging and rewarding experience. In this activity, you'll work through a series of tasks using the vTiger CRM tool. These include addressing inquiries related to billing, payments, or subscriptions, recording and categorizing interactions following established procedures, updating customer account information, and escalating unresolved or complex issues to the appropriate team. Then you'll dive into 6 customer scenarios where you'll tackle situations that mirror real-world customer service challenges. We've included interactive tasks and challenges to keep the experience engaging. And don't worry, you'll have guided support throughout the lab with clear instructions to help you navigate each step with confidence. Feel free to follow along with me, or take your time by reading and completing the tasks at your own pace. If you want to work side by side with me, simply pause the video whenever needed. Let's get started. Now that your virtual environment is ready, you'll start by opening Microsoft Edge and signing into vTiger CRM. Follow these steps to get started. Open Microsoft Edge from the taskbar. Click the CRM icon in the Favorites bar to access vTiger. Use the provided credentials to sign in. From here, you'll interact with 6 customer scenarios. For each, you'll complete tasks like resolving inquiries, updating accounts, and recording important details. All right, let's begin with our first scenario. James Smith has noticed an extra charge this month and needs clarification. Here's what you need to do. In vTiger, enter James Smith in the Type to Search text box. Click on Monthly Invoice for James Smith under the Invoices section. Navigate to the Details tab and scroll down to the Item Details section. What is the amount for premium film charges on the account? A, £5, B, £10, C, £15, D, £20. Pause the video here to find the answer and select your response. Press play when you're ready to continue. Next, click the plus icon on the top vTiger pane and select Ticket. Select the Go to Full Form button on the Quick Create Ticket window. In the Creating New Ticket window, complete the fields as outlined in the instructions. Ensure all fields are completed correctly and save the ticket. Pause here to complete the task, then press play to continue. Great job! You've successfully handled James Smith's inquiry. Now, let's move on to the next scenario.